Hello boaters, well, I've got more overhanging branches here to be sorted out. It's mainly the front part of the boat that needs a trim, so we'll set the camera up like the last time. This was done before the CRT announced that nasty surcharge they're going to put onto continuous cruisers, so I shan't be doing this sort of thing anymore, but I will be reporting it, so hopefully they'll have to sort it out now in future. We're not able to do a lot of jobs on the canal, but there's lots of little small things that we can do, and we're often reporting things that need to be reported. Very often the Canal and River Trust haven't got a clue that there's a problem until we tell them. These branches were dragging on my roof and of course obscuring the solar panels, so it was in my best interest to clear them out of the way. It's always surprising how big the pile of cuttings is once you've cut it down. It doesn't look that much when it's up in the air, but when it's piled up on your roof, it's quite a substantial amount. There's some more needs trimming down the back end as well. That little solar panel there by my feet is just a 30-watt panel, and that one exclusively keeps the starter battery topped up. All of the other panels, they charge my domestic batteries, but the starter battery just needs a little trickle charge just to keep it fully topped up. So that little panel does the job quite well. It's crazy to think that when I first started boating in 1990, a 30-watt panel like that would have been over £300 to buy, but that one, I bought that one a few years ago for 30 quid, brand new. What a difference. They've come down in price so much. There's nothing else I can do with the cuttings really, just shove it into the undergrowth. At least it's not on the path anymore. you've got solar panels, this is a really useful thing to make. You get a brush, draft excluder for a door, screw it to a piece of wood, and it's really good for sweeping off solar panels. It's very important to keep solar panels clean. I normally would clean them first thing in the morning when they're still covered in dew. That way they're wet and the brush can easily take off dust and dirt and bird poo and stuff like that. It's even fairly good at scraping off a certain amount of frost. Though not if it's really cold. If it's really sort of frozen on there, then you've just got to wait for the sun to come up. But light frost we can brush off. And certainly snow is very good for clearing snow off the panels. So many boaters, they spend a fortune on solar panels, but they don't keep them clean, and they'll leave ropes lying across them, gangplanks, boat poles. I've even seen some secured down onto the roof with like straps, and that just stops them from working, so I really don't know why people do that. In the autumn, when the leaves are falling, I'll brush the panels off several times a day. You have to, if you want to get any charging done. I'm tempted to leave those there. They're not interfering with the solar panels and they're nice and shady, but I think we'll just trim them a little bit just so that you can get in here all right. It. Well, I think that'll do. Midgecat is on the towpath. Don't know where Bushka is at this point in time, but he'll be around somewhere. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Hello, Midge. It's all right. How you doing, buddy? Come here. Right, that's that job finished.